What are your superpowers again?
I'm rich.
How much?
$1,000.
Fine.
Idiot. 2,000.
Fine.
5. No, 10. How much did I ask for?
Get your 5,000 in cash today. That's my offer.
I don't care how much money you have. You're a dork and a freak, Wayne. You always were.
Give me a second, guys.
It's your fault for inviting me.
Shut up, Brent.
Wait, who's Bruce talking to?
Let's go, guys. Not him.
Let me talk to the owner.
You're standing next to him.
I bought the place. You guys in or out?
In.